And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a color slide transition. We're going to use these two clips as an example. You will find them via description links below. Make sure that there are no gaps in between, so one clip follows after the other with a jump cut. Now right click in the projects menu, new item, black video. By default it has the same size as your sequence, but you can adjust it here via width and height. Drag and drop it in your timeline. Make sure that it's on top of the cut. The size itself doesn't really matter here, but it matters that it is directly on top of the cut and that you've got a little bit of space to the left and right. Let us go to the end position of the first video clip. That means that we are right here at the cut, and now I use the arrow keys to the left. Let me go like 8 frames to the left, so I click the left key 8 times. Now I click on the position icon, but make sure that you have your black video file selected, so we want to start the animation here. And now we'll click and drag to the left to reposition this black video out of the frame. Get back to the position of the cut and then 8 frames to the right. So use the right arrow key 8 times. Then click on this icon to create a new keyframe. Click and drag until your black video is outside of the frame to the right side. And now we've got this black video moving while there is this jump cut underneath, and that gives the impression of a color slide transition. You can adjust the speed of it by simply repositioning the keyframes right here. So if you pull them further apart from each other, it's going to be slower. If you put them next to each other, something like this, it gets faster. But always make sure that you've got the position covered where the jump cut is occurring in the background. For now it's black, or we can give it a tint. Just type it into effects, then drag and drop it on a black video element in the timeline. And here's our tint in the effect controls. If you can't find these menus, just go to Window, Effects and Effect Controls. Use the function map black to. You can use the color swatch and adjust it, or just use the eyedropper tool to sample something from your video files. Click on OK, and now it has this bluish color. And this is how you can create a color slide transition in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.